In this we come across a character, a prominent one in the lesson, that is a dog. Its name is Montmorency. Narrator and writer is Jerome K. Jerome. He, with his friends, plans for a journey and they wanted to pack things. So they are packing things. Generally, how do we pack? You may be knowing about that. For example, we will take them that this is Jerome and Harris and his friend, their friend George. So they started packing. They have taken the bags or trunks, whatever it is there, and they started packing. How do they pack? In the lesson we will come across that one. So they made some mistakes. They kept the things which are very brittle and soft down, and they kept heavy things on it, and naturally they broke. Not only that, this doggy, you might have seen many dogs, but they have a pet dog known as Montmorency. इसका नाम है Montmorency. And sometimes unknowingly, few animals, pet animals, they spoil the plant. They don't know because they are animals. Whatever is attractive, whatever is good to them, that would they do. So when they are packing things, it came and it started playing with them, because that being a pet animal, it always played with them. Now it didn't know the seriousness of the situation. So it thought that there are lemurs, it thought that they are rolling, and tried to catch them. In the process, it hit on many things. And it always ran to their hands whenever they wanted to search for something, and its damp mouth, when a dog balls up its tongue, it would be rather damp, it would be sticky. When those people, they are searching for things, its mouth always went there. It was there in the hand, it was there with them. So in that way, the dog Montmorency provided a lot of humor to the situation, but it gave them some kind of disturbance also. So finally, they are unable to bear its antics or pranks, and Harris took a pan and chased it away. So this is Montmorency, a symbol of that dog we are having here. And all the heavy things have to be kept first. Finally, they learn the lesson how to pack things. Perhaps you would also know how to pack things, because you undertake some journeys in the holidays with your parents. So you need to know the knackness in packing the things. And now we have some heavy things. We will see our Jerome, Harris, and George. How do they pack things? When you pack things in a systematic way, put them first. What things you will pack them? And of course, this is disturbing them. You can play the role of the toy. What things you keep first among these? What things? Heavy things first. Yes. And yes. And yes. It would be disturbing them. It is disturbing them. So finally, Harris, he has taken some stick or something and he tried to chase it away. You chase it with that. Okay. So remove that. This is how they would pack. Look what we have said. So like that, the toys will give us some kind of understanding, clear understanding or close understanding with us. So thank you very much. As and when we get some more toys that we are prepared or procured, we will use them to understand the lesson. Thank you very much. Thank you.